So I live in Florida, and we are the lightning capital of the world, and I thought I would share with all of you the lightning strike that I caught on camera with my 2022 Model Y Tesla. I'll take out the USB stick and plug it into my computer, and here's what I saw. Did you see that? Well, if not, here it is again when I slowed the footage down to about 20%. And here is another lightning strike. Again, if you missed it, here it is again, slowed down. In slow motion, it totally looks like my camera is getting destroyed, but don't worry, it wasn't. I'll stick the USB stick back in my glove box so I can continue to record random things and hopefully be able to share them all with you.